Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students of class 6, welcome back. This would be our first introductory class where we will focus on the first chapter: what, why, how, and when. Now, these four elements are those which we try to understand under the concept of history. Now, let us take a simple example. We and our parents might be familiar with the means of transport like aeroplane, and our grandparents might be familiar with the means of transport like trains and buses, and our great grandparents might be familiar with the means of transport which would be a block cart. So, what has happened over the years? Over the years, the means of transport has evolved, and therefore, in history, what are we study is basically the changes that take place with time. So we call it the chronological change that takes place, or the temporal change that takes place. So all types of temporal variations, be it related to any place, any specific event, any specific culture, and so on, would be a part and parcel of the concept of history. Now, the first concept, as I say, we will understand what. So, when I say what, I focus on what kind of clothes do we wear, what kind of houses are there, and what kind of food is available. So, all these come under the question what that we study under history. So, what kind of food was taken by Harappan civilization? What kind of food was grown by, let us say, Egyptians? So, all this would come under what? We can also say in simple terms, those who don't study the past are condemned to repeat it. That means, let us say, why Britishers invaded India. If we are not aware of that, we might do the similar mistake, and there could be a similar advent of some another country into our territory. So, that is a kind of idea why we need to know the past so that we are aware of it. We do not repeat the similar mistakes in the future. So, therefore, the first integral part of the historical concept is what? So, we have all the basic essential amenities in our life, which would be the part of what? Now, why the second important question? Now, before we understand the second important question, why we have a simple quote that helps us to understand and gives us a much broader perspective on history that explains. This is the quote: history is studied geographically, and geography studied historically. Dear students, this is all about today. I will discuss the quote tomorrow, inshallah. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.